follow instructions. Can't do what I'm told. I can do what I'm told. When I want to. When I want to. Yeah, I can see in the map the lake is over here to our right. Some lake. I don't know what lake it is. It's showing real muddy. Then it's showing another lake to the left that's green and pretty. See how overgrown these lots are. We'll spray for bugs and maybe walk them a little bit. I don't know if they're right together. I'm assuming they'll have signs on them, but I don't know that for sure.
In 1,000 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
Estate sign there.
You have arrived.
Is this them on the right? Let's look at the address on this map thing. See something like that, and you put a well in, just put a capsule home or make a container home, metal building. I don't need much. Insulate a metal building. Lake, I think I can see it over there to the right and to the left here. That's the main thing here. I'm not a homebody. Not in the least. Close. When it gets time for me to get to where I can't travel, I don't know what the kid's gonna do. I guess this must be public right here. Let's go up and check out those real estate signs. We'll see if we have a connection and see about, there are not any addresses or anything. We're gonna have to figure out which lots they are. Listom's Cooter Creek Road. turn these off till we find them. Okay, well, we'll be winding back up around to them. I'm pretty sure it's in the fork where that sign was. See if we can see where we are on the map. Okay, yep. Okay, it's going to be this property over here to the right. Get out, we'll walk up the hill here. Well, I don't guess there's much point in it. We'll go down the next road right there, and that way we can see both sides of it. I'm going to check out the other address. I think it's 2 lots right here, I believe. Both of these roads go down into a circle and come back out. So I think it's this property. I know one of them at least is this property right here on the right. Okay, well maybe this is the other one here on the left. It must be. It is sloping. They said sloping. They're not kidding, are they? So is that one there on the right? 3 acres. One is 3, one is 3.1, one's 3.39, one's 3.1. We'll turn around and go back and stop and get video. This one looks more accessible to walk, so we'll probably walk this one a little bit anyway. We'll see which one this is, if it's 3.1 or 3.39. We've got new tires on the back, but that doesn't mean we won't get stuck. I tell you what. Okay, let's turn these off and we're going to walk a little bit. Okay, one of the lots is going to be in that triangle. It starts up there on the corner, I guess. Comes down through here. I don't know how far. We need to get him to send us the plat. Or maybe to pull it up online. And then this is the other one. Depending on how the plat is, I prefer this one. It says sloping, it drops off. And for me, depending on what I did, I would love to have a basement, but I don't want to split. I'm not going to have the money to have foundation and basement. Well, you're given a basement right here, aren't you? Wouldn't be any trouble at all to put a basement in here. Drop a well in, depending on the plot. Septic tank. I'd want septic in the back where you could have plumbing in the basement. But like I say, there go my, expanding ideas, and I need just a little bitty place. Talk to us. Tell me what you're thinking. Crazy bird. I like them. Like I say, I'm not a homebody. Crazy squirrel. Okay, well, let's wrap this one up. I'll get some video with the, I'll go ahead and get these posted. And I'll get video with the Osmo Action 5 too. Little bumblebees working like crazy. I've noticed you don't see that many honeybees on the thistles, but you see a lot of these bumblebees.